Hi, everybody. It's Dr. Bacon from East Cobb Spine Sport Chiropractic. I'm hanging out with
Marva session
So you came in the other day. You live where?
in South Carolina.
Yeah, and we did some chiropractic a long time ago.
Yes.
Yeah, and then what we've done here, we just saw you the other day, which was on Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Yeah, and you're in here today to do some nutrition.
Yes.
Smart young lady.
Thank you.
Yeah. So we were saying, though, the chiropractic adjustment, you get adjusted on a regular basis, but you just had some stuff done with the left leg. What'd you have done?
A knee replacement
Mm-hmm.
and sciatica.
Yeah, some sciatic pain, some in that hip. Yep. And then getting off the table yesterday, we adjusted some things. We did a couple things a little different. We do what's called a total body assessment, which means we check everything all the way through, correct?
Yes.
And so we adjusted that knee. And what did you say you felt?
It felt different immediately.
Yeah.
By the time we got home, I kept telling my daughter, I'm like, I feel better, even the front part of my knee. But
Yeah.
I said I could feel it when you pulled my leg, something happened.
Yeah.
I didn't know what.
Yep. But that's see, to me, and we talked about this, the biomechanics of having that knee replaced or taking care of it. If the knee's in a misalignment and you walk on it on a regular basis with it in a misalignment, the body's getting used to that misalignment.
Okay.
When we come in here and assess that misalignment, we can change it, and then you go and do what? You strengthen it with better movement. And this is the brilliance, I believe, in chiropractic, with not just chasing the pain, but because you didn't even tell me about your knee problem.
No, I didn't.
Yeah. So, but what we do is, if we have a way to measure it, then we have a way to really assess whether or not it's valued or not valued, if it's going to help or not help. And so what we saw there yesterday or the other day was really a change. Go ahead.
I didn't really realize it was a problem until you corrected it.
Yeah.
And afterward is when I said, I could even stand up a little straighter and walk because I was a little hump over it.
Yeah. Well, listen, thank you for doing this. We call this a little bacon bit, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah.
A bacon bit.
Yeah, that's right. So we appreciate you guys paying attention. Thank you very much. And we'll see you guys on the next one.
Thank you.